Hi everyone, today we are discussing confined space safety. Working in confined space can be hazardous, but with the right precautions we can minimize the risk. Let's explore what you need to know. Confined space are areas with limited entry and exit points, and they are not designed for continuous occupancy. Example includes tanks, silos, and manholes. These spaces can present hazards like lack of oxygen, toxic gases, and limited visibility. Before entering in a confined space, conduct a thorough risk assessment, identify potential hazards, and determine if it is safe to enter. Always have permit if you work required. One. Proper ventilation is crucial. Use fans, blower, ensure adequate airflow, and prevent the buildup of hazardous gases. Monitoring the air quality is also important. Use gas detectors to check for dangerous level of oxygen, carbon monoxide, and other gases. Always have a safety plan in place. These includes having trained attendant outside the confined space who can monitor the situation and initiate rescue if necessary. Ensure all workers are trained in confined space entry procedure and emergency response. Personal protective equipment is essential depending on the hazards. This might include respirators, protective clothing, and harnesses. Ensure all PPEs in good conditions and used correctly. To wrap up the confined space safely, require careful planning and adherence to the procedures. Conduct risk assessment, ensure proper ventilation, and always have a rescue plan. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more safety tips. Stay safe and be vigilant.